AJV channel. In today's video, we have got these Mentos right here, and we're just going to scoop them up, put them in there. Coca Mentos challenge, okay? So yeah, before the video begins, make sure to hit like, go comment, and subscribe, obviously. Tell me what else you want to see, what other challenges you want to see, what other food reviews or whatever you want to see. You know, tell me. And yeah, let's get into it. So, that's a good handful, I would say. Yes, that's a good handful. Oh my god, the chicken's gonna harass me. Scram chicken. Alright, I think right hand and then left hand is the best option. Alright, 3, 2, 1. What? What? Is that it? Hold on, give me a sec. Let me shake it real quick. Get the Mentos. If you want to chicken, I wouldn't advise it. Chuck them back in. See if we can get anything going here. Let's see if we can get a little explosion. Right? But that went everywhere. It's all over my feet, man. Oh well. So we got it like that. Now let's shake it with the Mentos. I slipped. Alright, 3, 2, 1. No, that's it, isn't it? Oh well. Hit like, hit comment, hit subscribe, and obviously you gotta have those Coke hands, obviously. So wash your hands with it. Okay? Wash your hands with it. You know, wash your hands with it, get all that in there. And yeah, see you in the next one. I'm gonna throw. Oh, that's hard. Oh, that's hard.